What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070103. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error code, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should always do is go to your search bar, type in troubleshoot settings or troubleshoot until this pops up. Click into additional troubleshooters, and then in here, click into Windows Update. There's a troubleshooter for your Windows Update. So you actually want to run this troubleshooter. Yes, there's literally a troubleshooter for updates itself. So you want to basically run this troubleshooter, let its process run, and let it fix any issues that you may be getting when you're trying to update your Windows. Now, if you've done this and it still doesn't fix it for you, the next thing to do is go back into your search bar and type in services. In here, just type in W. Until you see something at the bottom where it says Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Right click into it, go to Properties, start this process if it's stopped, and change it from manual to automatic if it's not already on automatic. Do that for both of them. Restart your computer, try to update again, and you should be good to go and be able to update your Windows. So yeah, that's basically it. If you got a video, please thumbs up. Got a channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.